Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I am going to share with you my experience of 20 days of meditation. Actually it's been somewhere around 23 or 25 days, but I have missed few days in between. That is why I am saying my experience of 20 days of meditation. So roughly a month ago I posted a video on my YouTube channel in which I shared with you all the things that happened with me after I stopped doing meditation. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it by clicking the link in the description. It will help you a lot. If you are not consistent in your meditation, you will learn a lot of things from that video. And in today's video, I will tell you everything that happened with me in the last 20 days. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. And one more thing, that if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any topic, then please tell me that in the comment section below. I will soon post a video on it. Now let's start the video. So I started doing meditation around 25 days ago, and from the last 20 or 25 days I am meditating for around 25 to 40 minutes. On some days I just do one session of Isha Kriya which takes around 15 minutes, and then for the remaining 10 minutes I just do simply my breathing meditation. And on some days when I'm too energetic, when I have a lot of time, then on those days I do 2 sessions of Isha Kriya, so it takes roughly around 30 minutes, and then for the remaining 10 minutes or 5 minutes I do simple breathing meditation. So this is how much I am meditating from the last 20 or 25 days. Now I will not waste your time and I will tell you everything very clearly. So now let me tell you all the benefits or changes that I have observed in myself. So the first benefit or the first change that I have observed in myself is that now I am uploading YouTube videos regularly. Earlier I used to upload like 3 or 4 or maximum 5 videos in a month, but now I am uploading regularly. I am uploading videos in 1, 2 or maximum 3 days. So this is the first thing that I have observed in myself. So if you are not able to work or study or do any other thing regularly, then you can definitely give meditation a try, or you can also do Isha Kriya. For those of you who do not know what Isha Kriya is, I have made a separate video on it, so you can watch that video by clicking the link in the description. You will learn everything about Isha Kriya in that video. And I promise you that from my personal experience that you will be able to work, study or do any other thing regularly, consistently after doing meditation or Isha Kriya for 30 minutes every day for 15 days. Just 15 days will improve your life. Now the second benefit, and this is the benefit that I'm most happy about, is that I have stopped watching adult content. I hope you can understand what I mean by watching adult content. So for the last 8 or 9 days I haven't watched any of those things. Sometimes I feel like watching those things, but I have become strong enough to make myself not watching those things. I can easily make up my mind to not indulge in those activities. So if you are suffering from these problems, watching too much adult content or indulging too much in sexual activities, then you can also start doing meditation. It will help you a lot in getting rid of these habits. Now the third benefit is, and this is the best benefit in my opinion, is that I am not smoking regularly now. I am smoking like 1 cigarette in 2-3 days. Earlier when I was not meditating, I was smoking like 2-3 cigarettes every day. So you can clearly see that meditation has reduced my smoking to a very low level. And I feel like in the coming 10 or 15 days I will stop smoking completely. Sometimes in the evening I feel like I should smoke. 1 cigarette will not harm me. Everybody smokes, it's okay to smoke. But somehow I force myself to not smoke. And if you are also suffering from any of these problems, if you smoke a lot or if you are an alcoholic, you drink a lot, then you can definitely give breathing meditation a try. Breathing meditation helps a lot in dealing with smoking urges or drinking urges. So this is the fourth benefit that I have observed in myself, that I am not smoking regularly. Meditation has reduced my smoking to a very low level. Now the fourth benefit that I have observed in myself, that I am not speaking too much nowadays. Earlier I used to speak a lot, I used to abuse a lot. Of course I abuse now as well, but I'm not saying that I have become a transformed person in just 15-20 days of meditation. But yeah, I'm definitely listening more than I used to. I listen to Sadhguru, I listen to music, I listen to my friends, and I have become a silent person from within. Not completely silent, but yeah, to a very good level I have become a silent person. And if you have this bad habit of speaking a lot, if you waste a lot of your time and energy in useless gossips, then you can definitely give meditation a try. It will help you a lot. Now the fifth benefit is that I have become a lot more energetic. From the last 4 to 5 days, I'm working a lot. I'm doing a lot of my office work. I am doing meditation. I am going for a walk after waking up and after eating my dinner. I am going out with my friends more often, and I am also making this video after finishing all of my office work. So you can clearly see that my energy levels have improved a lot. And in my personal opinion, this is the best time to start your meditation journey, because a lot of people have become too much lethargic by staying at home for weeks and months because of this coronavirus pandemic. And if you are a lazy person, if you just stay in bed all day, if you just use your mobile all day, then you can definitely try meditation. It will help you a lot in dealing with your laziness. Now the sixth benefit, and this is the last benefit that I have observed in myself, is that my sleep quota has reduced a lot. I am sleeping a little less than before. I am sleeping like nowadays for 6.5 hours to 7 hours. Earlier I used to sleep for 8 hours to 8.5 hours, sometimes even 9 hours. Sleeping for 8 hours is also good, there is no harm in it, but all I'm saying is that your sleeping hours can also be reduced with the help of meditation. So if you are a student who is preparing for some competitive, very difficult examinations, then you can start doing meditation. You will get 50, 60 or 70 minutes extra every day to prepare for your exams, and you will also get the other benefits of meditation. So these were the benefits that I have observed in myself in the last 10, 15, 20 days. So all I'm saying is that you should also start your meditation journey. And one more thing that I can tell you from my experience of meditation in the last 20 days is that meditating every day is not easy. It is very difficult. I also feel like quitting meditation, but you have to force yourself every day to meditate, and this is the best thing that you will do yourself. So I believe I've told you everything regarding meditation and my experience of 20 days of meditation. Now if you have any doubt, then you can always tell me in the comment section below, or if you want me to make a video on any other topic, then you can also tell me that in the comment section below. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.